Ever since the beginning of Superbike Twente, Aalberts has been a key player in driving innovation for our motorcycles. They've consistently provided us with vital components, starting with intricate metal parts for the Lion GP. Their contributions also extend to the top-notch materials for the core of the Apex RS frame, as well as the crucial titanium shaft that's critical for the smooth interaction between the rear suspension and the chassis in the Delta model. As Superbike Twente, we are proud to announce that Aalberts will be our pole position partner for the 5th year in a row. Together, we set the goal to revolutionize electric motor racing, and Aalberts has played a significant role in this process. They've supported us in various ways, including creating a custom piping solution for the electric motor's cooling system. This seemingly small part is essential for handling the heat generated by the electric motor, allowing our Superbike to perform at its best. Aalberts has also been instrumental in providing the casing for the black box, which stores crucial race data. However, Aalberts' contributions go beyond simply supplying products. Just like us, Aalberts goes for excellence. To make a Superbike with this much power, all parts need to be flawless to fit perfectly. Their support covers not only technical guidance, but also managerial, operational, and value-based advice. This invaluable knowledge passed down from previous teams is now in our hands, and we are determined to pass it on to the upcoming generations. This year, we are dedicated to make the best possible Superbike by taking ownership. This means that every student shares the responsibility of designing and creating a fast and, most importantly, safe Superbike. Together with Aalberts, we are redefining the future of electric motor racing, where innovation, precision, and safety are our driving forces.